Hello guys, how to send Easy Paisa Tofa. Nowadays in our digital world, sending gift to your dears ones has become super easy. All thanks to service like Easy Paisa Tofa. Easy Paisa is a well-known mobile money service in Pakistan, and it has this cool features called Tofa, which means gift in Urdu. This Tofa service is smart and easy way to send a present to your friends and family, even if they are far away. We will show you step by step how to use Easy Paisa Tofas so you can easily surprise your loved ones with special gift, no matter where they are. This way, showing your love and making them happy is just a few click away. What is Easy Paisa Tofa? Easy Paisa Tofa is unique feature offered by Easy Paisa that allows you to send money as a gift to anyone in Pakistan with an easy account. The service is designed to make the act of gifting money more special and personal. You can send cash with a personalized message, making it a perfect way to celebrate birthday, wedding, festival, or any special occasion. Getting started. Before you can send Easy Paisa Tofa, you need to have an Easy Paisa account. If you don't have one, setting up an account is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. Download the Easy Paisa app. First, download the Easy Paisa app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Stores on your smartphone. Register your account, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to register for an account. You will need to enter your mobile number and some personal information. Activate your account after registration. You will receive confirmation SMS. Enter the code received in the app to activate your account. Sending Easy Paisa Tofa. Once your account is set up, sending an Easy Paisa Tofa is a straightforward process. How to send Easy Paisa Tofa, how to claim Easy Paisa Tofa. Log to the Easy Paisa app, open the Easy Paisa app and log in using your credential. Select the Tofa option, navigate the send money section and select the Tofa option. Enter recipient details, input the mobile numbers of the recipient, ensure that the recipient also has an Easy Paisa account. Choose the amount, enter the amount of money you wish to send as gift. There may be a minimum or maximum limit, so check the terms and conditions. Add a personal message. This is what makes Easy Paisa Tofa special. You can add a heartfelt message to accompany your gift, whether it is a birthday wish, a congratulatory note, or just a simple thinking of you message. It adds a personal touch to your monetary gift. Review and send. Before sending, review all the details carefully. Make sure the amount and the recipient mobile numbers are correct. Once everything looks good, proceed to send your Tofa. How to claim Easy Paisa? After you send the Tofa, both you and a recipient will receive a confirmation SMS. The recipient will get the message you wrote along with the gift amount. They can then use this money however they like, whether it's withdrawing its from Easy Paisa shop, transferring it to their bank account, or using it for mobile load bill payment or online shopping. Benefits of using Easy Paisa Tofa. Convenient, you can send a gift from anywhere at any time, right from your smartphone. There is no need to visit bank or a physical store. Personal touch with the option to add a personal message. Easy Paisa Tofa makes the act of giving money more meaningful and heartfelt. Safe and secure. Easy Paisa provide a secure platform for your transaction, ensuring that your money reach its intended recipient safely. Instant delivery, the gift is delivered instantly, making it a perfect last minute